All right, so check it out. What I got for you today is a super special treat. Some fun black powders. That's right, let's check them out. Today we're gonna be looking at some dueling pistols. Heck yeah, that's right. These are made by Pedersoli, so you know they're high quality. These are like the 2023 model Pedersoli Continental dueling pistols. They're 45 caliber, yeah, and they are flintlocks. Let's take a closer look at these beautiful examples of dueling pistols from Pedersoli. As you can see, they're flintlock with the case hardened finish there. And yeah, just got some cloth sitting in there. Is it flammable? Yep. I'm not gonna shoot 100 rounds of this until I can get some thin lead or some leather to go in there. Got some brass handguards with a fancy little curlicue on the trigger. 45 caliber. And it does have some sights going on here. That's right. So, hey, maybe you can hit something. Something I love about them is this one I've been carrying, and that pan has been loaded, and it holds the powder phenomenally. And we're going to see if it'll fire. It's been loaded for about a month now, and just my little experiment to see how long you can carry it with the powder and it actually still fire. Okay, eye pro, ear pro. First, we're going to try the one that I've had loaded for about a month that I've been carrying around to see, you know, just in case had a varmint that needed to be dispatched. But I used like every other thing except this. I haven't had the opportunity to. So let's see if I can put a hole through the middle of this blue alien downrange. Hit a like down there for the safari shorts. Do not think this will fire. Nope. As expected, that powder been sitting in the flash pan for too long. No fire. But I knew that was gonna happen. Let's put some fresh stuff in there and try it again.
A few moments later.
Okay, we got fresh powder in it. It's excruciatingly humid today. So this is a little piratey. Pirates would have had the same kind of trouble firing flintlocks on the island. I'm just not getting a good spark. Catch the powder. Forsooth. This is the best time. Okay, let's try it with some fresh powder. Damn it. Just can't get the powder to ignite. Gotcha. Uh-huh. Bet I didn't hit the target. Because it had just failed to go off so many times, I was not expecting it, and I threw it. But it's okay. We have 2 dueling pistols, so I can fire again. All right. Got my second dueling pistol loaded up. Huh. No, Oswald. Oh, no! Ah, forgot to flush the keyhole. Huh, fresh powder. Ha ha, Reginald! What say thou now? Ha ha! Whenever I'm actually intending and knowing and it's going to go off, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see if we can get her reloaded and fire some more. Ha ha! Let's try one at some distance, shall we? Ha ha, Reginald! That was the second one. That was one downtown. Yeah, let me put a little bit tighter of a patch in there and try again. Righto, hammered the patch down that sucker. Oh, this ought to work. Dang it. Oh, that's not good. That is so not good. I had consistent ignitions and then I knocked that dang patch ball down. And I'm getting nothing. As per usual, I get it to snap off when I get to cut the camera off. Zing! Got him in the arm from way back there, but hey, that was better than that, huh? I, again, didn't think it was going to go off, but I was holding it pretty good. I win, Reginald. Let's see if I can hit a plinking target. No. All right, that computer and this pistol are pretty much from the same time period. Nope. Do, walking down the trail, minding my own business. Oh, target! Ha ha! Yeah, I'm just gonna be real honest. These things are insanely fun. I mean, I love them. To be completely honest with you, these might actually be more fun than the revolvers. Now, of course, between every shot, I am patching it, and then like every third, fourth shot, I'm running a wet patch with some cleaning stuff down it, and then a dry patch after that. But yeah, I'm not just continuously loading this and firing it. It wouldn't be possible because it gets so dirty. But this thing is incredibly fun. Let's go! Got him. All right, before I run out of light and the film gets really, really grainy, that's it for the Pedersoli dueling pistols. Hey, I'll get back in, do a little deep dive in these, and on whenever it's not 105 degrees during the day and the range looks a little bit better. So as always, hit the like, hit the old subscribe button, get down in them comments, tell me how goofy and weird I am. Love these black powders. See y'all next time.